Crafty Diamond. Today is going to be a really quick video. This is going to be for the grand prize giveaway that I'm going to be drawing for from the Josephine Wall event from our 2023. And we already have one winner. I have removed that winner from my list, and that winner is going to be announced by Angie. And Kim has not done hers yet. She's waiting on me. So I'm going to do mine today. And for this grand prize, this is from the One with the Diamond Art, who sponsored, one of our sponsors of the event. And they have offered for the grand prize an 80 by 100 diamond painting. And you can choose which one that you want. It does not have to be a Josephine wall. And so whoever wins will work with the One with the Diamond Art in order to get their prize. So what I'm going to do here is I do have a blank wheel in front of me on my computer. And these are all of the participants that actually completed all of our requirements, which was a 30 by 40 section of a Josephine wall canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and load all of these up. So we have 52 of them. I'm going to copy those. I'm going to put all of those names into my wheel. So those are all of the names. I love the color. I haven't done a wheel before, so this is going to be a lot of fun. And I'm actually thinking of, after this, I may do this on my channel for some other things and also put all of my diamond paintings on there, and then I can spin the wheel to see what I'm going to work on next. So without further ado, let's spin the wheel and see who our winner is from the One with a Diamond Art. And this is Janet Bailey Parker. So congratulations, Janet Bailey Parker. You are the winner of my grand prize. If you will contact me via either Facebook, you can do it through our Facebook group. You can also private message me through Facebook, through Instagram, or you can also reply to this video. My email is also underneath the description, so there's several ways to get in touch with me, but get in touch with me as soon as possible so you can claim your prize. Thanks to all of you who participated. We're definitely going to be doing this again next year. We are really excited about it, and we're going to continue working on our J walls and might even start on another one. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.